Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Englimia.com. In the series of how to improve your grammar, today we are going to discuss another part of speech, and that is conjunction. What do we mean by conjunction? First of all, we are going to see its definition. A word that connects two or more words, phrases, clauses, or sentences, or a word that is used to coordinate words in the same sentence or clause. That is called conjunction. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो कि दो लफ्ज़ों को, दो phrases को, clauses को या फिर sentences को मिलाने के लिए इस्तेमाल हो, उसको हम कंजंक्शन कहते हैं, जैसे कि नाम से ही जाहिर है. एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो कि ब्रिज बनाता है दो लफ्ज़ों को मिलाने के लिए या फिर दो फ्रेजेस, क्लॉजेस और सेंटेंसेस को कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए, उसको हम कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. जैसा कि बट, because, or, so, and, nor, yet, either, neither, or either, neither, although, however, therefore, after, and so on. Let's see a few examples for practice. Further, we'll see the types of conjunctions. My brother is a great cook, so everybody admires his dishes. So is a conjunction that has connected these two sentences. My brother is a great cook, so everybody admires his dishes. So these two clauses or these two sentences have been joined, have been connected with the help of this word, and that is called conjunction. And that is, my brother is a great cook. It's one clause and there is a comma, you could see. So is a conjunction. Everybody admires his dishes. It is an other clause. Both of these clauses, this one and this one, have been connected with the help of this conjunction, so. But before that, we have used a comma here. इस बात का आपने लाजमी ख्याल रखना है, अगर दो clauses हैं आपके एक sentence में, तो उससे पहले आपने जब उसके दरमियान जब आपने conjunction को use करना है, तो उससे पहले आपने कॉमा जरूर लगाना है. इसी तरह हम अगला सेंटेंस देखते हैं. Which place do you like? A restaurant or a park? Now you could see that I have not used a comma in it. कॉमा का इस्तेमाल यहाँ पे नहीं किया गया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये एक पूरा सेंटेंस है, एक पूरा जुमला कंप्लीट है, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट है और एक वर्ब के बाद आगे ऑप्शन है अ रेस्टोरेंट और अ पार्क. इसमें कहीं पे आपको दो क्लॉज या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस नहीं मिल रहे. अगली एग्जांपल में देखते हैं. आई वेंट टू सी माई मॉम बट शी वॉज नॉट इन हर रूम. नाउ यू कुड सी आई वेंट टू सी माई मॉम. अगर इसको मैं एक सेंटेंस बना दूं और फुल स्टॉप लगा दूं, तो ये मेरा एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बन जाएगा. और इस जुमले में ये एक क्लॉज है. एक क्लॉज ये है कोमा, उसके बाद एक कंजंक्शन है बट शी वॉज नॉट इन हर रूम, ये एक और क्लॉज है और इसके बाद फुल स्टॉप है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे कॉमा यूज किया. इससे पिछले सेंटेंस में सेकंड में आप देखिए इस तरह के कोई डिवीजन नहीं है इस सेंटेंस के अंदर, इसलिए हमने उसमें कॉमा नहीं यूज किया. ये बात आपने कंजंक्शन को लगाते हुए सेंटेंस में लाजमी बॉदर करनी है. चलें अब हम इसको देखते हैं इसकी कितनी टाइप्स हैं और इनको कैसे समझना है इसके एग्जांपल्स भी लेते हैं. लेट्स सी द टाइप्स ऑफ कंजंक्शन. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, correlative conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs. First we'll see what do we mean by coordinating conjunction. And, or, but, so, yet, for, nor, and so on. I have told you that don't put comma when there are two words or phrases. Okay? अगर सिर्फ दो लफ्ज़ हों एक जुमले में या दो phrases हों तो उसके दरमियान कॉमा नहीं लगाना. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं. He is brave and courageous. You could see he's brave and courageous. So both of these words have been connected with the help of this conjunction and you could see that it's a complete phrase. He is brave and courageous. अगले जुमले में देखिए, Halima ordered a meal but still have not received it. But, okay? Now see in the next sentence. You will draw a pen, a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener. You could see that all these items have been divided with the help of these commas. This one, this, this. And the last comma has been put before the use of this conjunction. So the rule to apply conjunction is that you have to put commas when there are various items like in this sentence. And before using a conjunction, you have to give the final comma. Now we are going to see two more examples to get a clear-cut idea of conjunctions. See, Artugrul is an expert horse rider. I have applied comma here. Yet he drives cars. Yet is a conjunction. And before applying this conjunction, I have put a comma. Let's see the next example. I have water phobia, comma, but I love to visit Cornish. But, before but, I have used a comma. So the rule is that apply comma before using conjunction. Before using a conjunction. When there are two clauses in a sentence. I have water phobia, but I love to visit Cornish. Now we are going to see what do we mean by subordinating conjunction. As the name shows, subordinating means there must be a dependent and independent clause. So the concept could be clear with the help of an example. Because he has an important meeting tomorrow, comma, he is going to work on it. Because is a conjunction. He has an important meeting tomorrow. It's a complete clause. Comma, he is going to work on it. इस सेंटेंस को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें अब आपने कॉमा यूज नहीं करना, क्योंकि ये एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बनेगा, एक सेंटेंस बनेगा और ये बात तब तक पूरी आपको समझ नहीं आएगी जब तक आप इसके डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को इकट्ठा करके नहीं बताएंगे. तो सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज जो कि डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है वो तब तक अपनी सेंस को कंप्लीट नहीं करता जब तक कि इसको इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के साथ जॉइन ना करवाया जाए विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कंजंक्शन. And that conjunction is called subordinating conjunction. Let's see what do we mean by correlative conjunction. Correlative means a pair of joining words or a matching set. It could be used to show cause and effect. ये हमेशा पेयर में यूज होता है. Correlative की क्वालिटी है कि इसको आपने हमेशा इकट्ठा यूज करना है. ये एक नहीं इस्तेमाल हो सकता है, जैसा कि either or, neither, nor, whether, or, rather, then, both, and, as, so. ये जो पेयर है इसको आपने as it is यूज करना है एक ही जुमले में. चलिए एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं ताकि इसका आपको कॉन्सेप्ट मजीद क्लियर हो जाए. She can both read and write in Turkish. Read and write in Turkish. Both and ये दोनों इकट्ठे आएंगे एक सेंटेंस में ताकि आपको जुमले की समझ आ सके. The next example is I like to have either a cup of tea or coffee. Either or. Okay? She would rather stay at home than go out. Your stories are so boring as mine. So the use of this pair is very important in a sentence. That's why it is called correlative conjunctions. Last but not least, conjunctive adverbs. They are used to connect two independent clauses or sentences. While using this type of conjunction, we have to be very careful about punctuation. What type of conjunctive adverbs are there? However, furthermore, edit, therefore, eventually, for example, and so on. Let's see its example. I didn't prepare myself for this game. However, I still won it. You could see I have used this semicolon in it, and after using a conjunctive adverb, I have put a comma here. So both of these punctuations are very, very important when you are going to put a conjunctive adverb in a sentence. Before using it, you have to put a semicolon, that is a grammatical rule. And then after applying this conjunction, you have to put a comma. Then you have to write or put another clause. So we could divide it into two parts as well. And we could begin the next sentence like this. However, I still want it. Well, I have divided this one sentence into two, but you should be very careful if you are going to divide them into two sentences, and after that you are going to apply this conjunctive adverb. So there is no need to put this semicolon here because you have divided them into two sentences. I hope you have understood what do we mean by conjunction, and in the comment box you could write 5 sentences with the help of these conjunctions. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.